Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a rear taillight bulb in a 2014 Kia Forte just like this one. So you'll need a 1/4 inch drive ratchet along with a 10mm socket and even a ratchet extension, but that's just my preference. I like to use that because it makes it a little bit easier. And of course you'll need your taillight bulb, which is a 2357 in this case, and you can find that at your local Walmart or auto parts store. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up that trunk. Once you go in there, we're going to be using the left taillight. You're going to go over to the side that you need to replace. You're going to find this little panel. All you got to do, stick your finger on the bottom corner of that and pull it right off. It comes off simple and easy. After removing that panel, you're going to see this little white connector. If you push the tab on top of the connector and pull it off, you'll be able to disconnect that taillight and make it easier for you to take off the 4 nuts that are coming up next. Here are those 4 10mm nuts that I was talking about. Just grab your socket, loosen those right up, and then you'll be able to pull that headlight right out. Next, you're just going to need to go ahead and take out your light sockets. That way you can pull the rest of that light out. All you need to do is twist them counterclockwise and pull them out. I know it's a little bit difficult to see, but after you get those light sockets out, you can go ahead and start addressing the light bulb. Now the light bulb comes out the same way as those sockets do. Grab a hold of it, twist it counterclockwise, and pull it out. Reverse all your previous steps in order to put that taillight back in.